How we doing, Team Bull? Everybody doing good? Gotta get the chat pulled up. Hold on. OnlyFans content. It's been a rough start to the year, so gotta pay the bills somehow, you know? Yup.
Nice, bro.
I'll be doing Asia twice this week.
Twice.
Thursday. Which you user.
Jen doesn't even bother with this session anymore. She only trades New York now. She don't mess with us no more.
She's too cool.
She needs it.
Good. Let's keep it that way. It's been a minute since I traded Asia. We here though. I see that.
What's he gonna do?
I don't know. I think we just go live at the same time.
Live together.
Yeah.
That's cool.
What's going on, everybody? Oh, yeah, my trade of 8 pulled up, but I think Asia just, or silver just hit my level. Yes, sir. Silver something else. Motherfucker, it's pushing now. That was it. What's up, YouTube? What's up, TikTok? Good evening, everybody. If you guys could, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Whether you're on TikTok, just double tap the screen. If you're on YouTube, find the like button, hit it. If you're new, obviously make sure to follow. Make sure to subscribe. I mainly live trade New York market open, but I do hop on periodically throughout the week to trade Asia. So, again, if you guys are new, hit that follow button, hit that like, and if you could, or hit the follow button, hit the subscribe button, and if you could, also make sure to hit the like button because it helps a lot with the algo. So, we will see if we can find something. What's up, funny stuff? Hopefully get this damn YouTube video uploaded too. This shit's taking forever. Gonna multitask real quick. How'd you guys do during New York today? You guys make money? Let's see, download. Studio. 8 EMA, 21 EMA, and VWAP is what I have on. Got a fire YouTube video dropping today. Absolutely fire. Again, if you guys are just tapping in, if you could take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Double tap on TikTok, hit the like on YouTube. But also, if you're new to me, my name is Brandon. I live trade New York, live trade Asia periodically throughout the week. So if you guys could hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button. Again, both of them would mean the absolute world to me. So follow and subscribe. I had a feeling that silver was going to do that.
Push up.
Mm-hmm. Where's everybody at? You only got 60 people up in here, Senor Gene.
60.
We need more. This is NQ on the 5-minute time frame. Silver is SIH6 right now in Trade of 8.
G6.
No, it's H. H, sir. Did I take a nap? I took a nap maybe like an hour ago. I am indeed that guy with the GTR. See if we can find something for Asia. All right. All right. What up? Let's actually pull up GC. GC typically moves better in Asia, so we'll see. Thank you, I guess. If there was one thing you know now that you absolutely wished you knew when you first started trading, what is it? Every day is going to be different in the market. Every day is going to offer you different opportunity or maybe no opportunity. But don't expect to make as much money as possible every single day. Some days you might only make, let's say, $15. If that's what the market had to offer you, then that's what the market had to offer you. Some days you'll make $1,400, right? Some days you'll make $100. It's just take advantage of what the market has to offer you. The money you make or the money you lose, so be it. That's it. Don't go out there looking to make money. Money is just a byproduct of taking good trades. And again, whatever you make from taking a good trade, that's what you make. And real quick, again, if you guys could, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. Got a lot of new people in here today. I know that for a fact. So take 2 seconds, hit that like button. Hit that follow button as well. I mainly live trade New York, but I do go live periodically throughout the week for Asia. So find the follow button, hit it, and everybody on YouTube, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. And also, if you guys need any accounts and you use Take Profit Trader, Apex, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. Find me and my cousin a banger trade. We'll see. Appreciate it, T-Break. All I ask from you is that you keep tapping in. Again, make sure you guys hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button. I guarantee not all of you are already following. Guaranteed. What you watching, Gene? Nice. Everybody doing good, Team Bull? Everybody vibing? Of course, that silver pushes back up into that daily high. Silver is, yeah, off that VWAP bounce. Let's see. Yep, got a bunch in the boot camp. You're new here. I'm about to watch your swing trading video. Fire, I'm about to drop a dope ass Fibonacci video if this shit ever uploads. What question are you asking me? How many points do you usually look to capture before you move your stop to entry? I'm always looking for at least a bare minimum one-to-one risk to reward. So obviously, like, the point, what I'm willing to make per trade is going to be different, right? Because if I'm risking 20 points, I'm not trimming until at least I make 20 points. If I'm risking 5 points, well, then I'm obviously 5 points on NQ is very different, right? If I'm risking 5 points on NQ, I'm not trimming at 20 points, or I'm not trimming at 5 points. Sorry, trying to multitask. But yeah, so it depends. You know, how much am I that first trim? It depends. I'm answering a lot of questions. You're not the only person in here asking questions. You can chill. And your question doesn't even make sense. Do you have your own master account you compound on? That doesn't make sense. Today during New York, I made 1380, I think. Hold on. It's on my Instagram story. $1,383. Where do you start learning? Go on to YouTube and type in BrandonTrades. I have 1,500 videos over on YouTube teaching you on how to trade. So that's where I would start. Watch my videos. Damn, that silver is nuking. But yeah, BrandonTrades on YouTube. Bro asked a question that made no sense, got mad, and then left. Like, what? Can anybody tell me what a master account? Do you have your own master account you compound on? How does that make any sense? Damn, that silver is pushing. I'd be interested if silver actually pulled back, though. potentially here. If we can close bullish up here and then pull back into this area, ideally to 87.40.
See.
I don't know. He wasn't making any sense whatsoever. And if you guys could hit that like button, hit that follow button, can guarantee all of you are not subscribed. I can guarantee not all of you are following as well. I live trade every single day. All you guys gotta do, follow, subscribe, and tap in. That's it. And I don't know if I answered that question. Maybe I just answered it in my head. How many contracts do you trade on NQ? Again, it depends on your risk. If I'm risking 50 points, it's very different compared to if I'm risking 15 points. So you have to take that into account. It's not every time I'm trading, 5 to 10 contracts, right? Sometimes if it's way more risk, I'll trade 2. If my risk is very tight, I'll trade 10. Obviously, I'm just using those numbers as examples. But it depends on what's your risk. You can't have a set amount of contracts every time because your risk is always going to be different per trade. What up, Chris? See if we can get this 5-minute candle bullish close.
Like this 905. Honestly, it's pretty decent risk reward. It's risking like 10 points per.
Appreciate it, fam. Gene's in a nice trade so far. I caught the shorts on NQ earlier. I went short on this candle here. Caught that drop down for about 70 points. And then I caught this ES trade this morning right here for longs. Caught that move up. So 2 nice trades. Whoops, over. Okay. I want that pullback for silver.
I mean, 85 will be a 1-1. And, maybe to be in market of 6 off 75 and 65. It'd be your 5 first. 6
Damn, Gene. Damn.
It's like 90 to 85 on the 15, so we need to get one more solid push down and stay on there. Damn, dude. Oh, 8 points. So.
What do you mean? There was no S, Z, or DZ. What do you mean? I don't know what that means. SZ or DZ. Oh, yeah. I just thought of that in my head. Yeah, I didn't trade based off of supplier demand today. I traded again, breaking retest with the fibs, and then the reject was fibs as well. So Gene's in some nice shorts. He's up about like 10 points here. As long as he's not a little greedy fuck today. Looks like we're going to get that 5-minute candle bullish close, though, on silver. So I'm looking for a pullback on silver for potential longs. That sound is back. I literally did not hear it all day, and now it's back. That means we're about to catch a nuker. Watching silver for a pullback to 87.40-ish, everybody. 87.40. Silver.
Can you trade micros on that?
Not yet. I told Apex too.
What about with trade 5?
Haven't tried it. The silver contract is SIH6 on Trade of 8. If you had $1,000, I mean, it's really up to you. I mean, you don't need that much money to trade futures. I literally proved it. I opened up a small futures account with only 500 bucks and doubled that bitch 12 times. So made 6K off 500 bucks. Every time I doubled it, I pulled it out, went back to $500. So, I mean, it's personal preference, really. You know, do you want to risk your own capital or do you want to trade with prop firms? You know, it's, again, personal preference. If you do decide to go the prop firm route, though, if you use Apex, Tradeify, or Take Profit Trader, make sure to use discount code Brandon. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Apex is 80% off right now. Take Profit Trader is 40% off, no activation fee, and I think Tradeify is 35% off. So, again, code Brandon, all caps. This is silver. And yes, I do have a Discord as well that I live trade in every day. If you want to tap into that, that link's in the bio. User 415. And you know, better yet, if you join the Discord and you find absolutely no value and you make no money, I will refund you because that's how confident I am in my trading ability. So you join, you hate it, you tell me, I'll refund you. I'd say personally, Take Profit Trader is my favorite. TPT. No consistency rule. End of day drawdown on the evals. No minimum days between payouts. You can just... I dropped my... For the people asking in YouTube, here's the link for the Discord right there. But yeah, Take Profit Trader. Again, code Brandon, all caps. I have not tried the new Tradeify accounts. I need to. I need to get some. I've just been focused on my TPTs. Come on, silver. Pull back for us. SIH6. You can't do the micros. You can only do the minis. I told Apex to add that, though. Again, if you guys could, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. I guarantee all of you are not following. Everybody in YouTube, if you could, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. Subscribe if not. But yeah, I live trade on both of these every day. Yeah, you have to trade 5 days on the eval on TPT. That's only con. At least with Apex, I could pass or blow them in 1 day. So, I'd say that's really the only con to TPT is having to trade evals for 5 days. But, you know, it's worth it. Pass 5 accounts at once and you can start getting payouts right away on all 5. So... I'm actually going to see Brett at the end of the month. Don't know who Brett is. That's the Tradeify CEO. That's the homie. I was just texting him today, actually. That's between payouts. You can pass the first day. You've always been able to. But between payouts, you have that period, yes. No, Julian. This is a 5-minute. No. If you no, futures, the spreads are always so tight on futures that I don't ever worry about slippage at all. Peace out, Ash. How long are you streaming tonight? I'll probably be on for a couple hours. Que onda, güey?
Did you take anything?
No, I want this silver to pull back.
For what, longs or what?
Bruh, how many times have I said it?
What?
Why is Rob calling me? Yes, Rob.
What about Rob?
Say that again?
You said Rob?
Oh, are you talking to him? Oh, I'm on stream right now. But yeah, I'll be done in like an hour if you're still here. All right, peace. What are you saying, Gene? Yeah, the painter backed into my neighbor's truck. So.
He did?
The painter did, yeah.
So I'm what?
My neighbor wants a new bumper. I mean, it's coming out of the painter's pay, not mine. Are you still in your shorts?
Yep.
Not pants? Or jeans? With TPT, you just have to trade them. Trade them normally. It takes 5 days to pass them anyway, so you might as well trade them normally. You have a whole month to pass them. But just combine 5 of them together. That's what I did. Again, I'm going to keep reminding you guys, hit that like button. Everybody in TikTok and YouTube, find the like. If you're on TikTok, just double tap the screen. YouTube, find the little thumbs up, click it. Follow if you haven't already. Subscribe as well. Again, I live trade every single day. So all you guys got to do. Follow and then be here when I'm live. It's very simple. Everybody on TikTok, if you want to learn my strategy, I teach it all for free over on YouTube. BrandonTrades. Go check out my YouTube. This video is almost done uploading. I got a fire fib video dropping today. You group trade. You would just make a group on Trade-Avate and then group them together. Can't wait to make a fat steak for dinner. I wanted like 10 more cents on that silver. We actually got a decent amount of you over here on YouTube today for Asia. I'm curious, how many of you like consistently trade Asia every day? How many? Cam does. Yeah, this is silver that I pulled up. I want that pullback into this 15-minute orb. But then we also have that imbalance as well, so. Let's see, let's change this to Comex silver. Boom. Ultimate nub, salt and sand. XEQ. Decent amount of you trade Asia. You know, I just randomly one day told Gene that I would trade Asia with him. I hopped on and there was a fuck ton of people that were trading too. So I was like, that's when I really started trading Asia a little more. But like I said, I kind of just trade it whenever I have time. All right, let's watch this silver. Pulling back into a level, see if we can hold it. If we fail it, obviously I won't take it. But I want to see us get back up above 87.40.
Shorts?
Gina, I swear to God. How many times have I said I'm watching longs for silver?
I don't know why you're looking for shorts. I think longs is the best.
Bro. You're gonna get smacked silly.
Yeah, bro, I would advise you taking the shorts.
It's not looking like we're gonna get an entry.
For shorts?
Bro, shut the fuck up. I'm gonna come to your house. I have your location.
Turn it off.
Hmm.
I don't want you talking.
I really wish they had micros for silver, bro. It's so stupid that they don't.
Talk to us.
Now we're risking 14 cents. I don't know if I'm going to take it. It might have been the entry, but I don't know. Let's see if Apex added it yet.
Order rejected.
No, they did not. Still watching the silver, everybody. Got 15 minutes till actual Asia opens at 15, right, Gene?
Tokyo, I believe, 5 or 6. I don't know. I think it gets weird because of the time change.
Yeah. Not my favorite 5 minute. I will say that.
I like the 5 minute. Thank you. Still need to back down.
Give Gene the move down. I'm gonna hold off on this silver. Just not a big fan of that 5 minute. We did hold the level, but it's not the best. No, what I mean is you can't trade it on most of the prop firms. At least with TPT and Apex, you can't. Guys haven't, go follow my Instagram too, BrandonTrades. If you ever have questions about trading, you can reach out to me over there. I answer all of them, all my DMs. Again, BrandonTrades on Instagram. 8 EMA, 21 EMA, and VWAP. I day trade. I trade futures, stocks, swing trade, options, equity. Wherever there's money, that's where I am. I mean, New York's probably your best bet. Asia and New York, I would say, are the best. I haven't traded London because that's 1 a.m. for me, and I'm not trading at 1 a.m. So you just got to find a session for you. But typically, afternoon session for New York sucks. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that follow button, hit that like button if you haven't already. 60 of you here in TikTok. I can guarantee not all of you are following. I can also guarantee not all of you have double tapped that screen. YouTube, we have 120 people, only 60 likes, only half of you have hit that like button. So again, take 2 seconds. Everybody, YouTube, subscribe if you haven't. TikTok, follow if you haven't. Hit the like button. Let's hopefully find a nice trade. What's up, Manny? What's up, Abraham? Bro. What?
Bro, can you believe you only need $1,000 in a trade account to trade one contract to silver?
You know how quick that shit's gonna blow? I think it auto liquidates you at like $300.
Actually, no, I think that's the minimum you need to have. So if you have like 2K in there, you get liquidated at 1,000. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Micro silver is $250. Yeah, one micro.
I have a feeling the silver is gonna push. But again, I'm just not a big fan of that candle.
Are we advanced?
Indeed we are. Motherfucker. It's gonna do it. Right idea, just no execution.
You could trade micro Solana.
You trade everything, bro.
I'm just seeing what trade bait. It's only $50. Should we start trading lumber?
What's the price per point on that?
I don't even know. Check.
Or we trade wheat.
$27.50 per month.
It's not as much as I thought.
Trade cotton. $500 a point.
Or you can trade everything. They got orange juice futures too.
Yeah, I know. Didn't Einstein say that he traded that before?
I think so.
I want to go back. Don't you?
Well, soon.
Can I come with you?
Yes, sir.
Silver is 5,000. Yeah. No. Whoa. It's crazy.
Hmm.
You ever thought about trading cattle?
No. Cannot say I have.
You ever start trading grape futures?
I feel like there's probably no liquidity. Bro, did my internet go out? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
There we go. All right, bet. Damn, internet went out. Bro, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
The fuck is wrong with this?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
What's wrong with the internet, dude?
I don't know. I think it's good. All right. 7 minutes until we get the first hour out of the way.
Pesos aren't even worth $1.
I am watching mainly gold and silver right now. Not seeing a whole lot on ES or NQ currently. It is. If you just bought an account, you have to give it time, though, to activate.
You have 20 grand to trade big gold futures. That's crazy.
Five minutes so we get the first hour out of the way. Then we get our hourly range. Again, if you guys could, make sure to hit that follow button. Everybody in TikTok, hit that follow. Everybody in YouTube, subscribe. Follow, subscribe. Just tap in every day to live trade with me. That's all I ask. And remember, if you guys use TPT, Apex, or Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. This YouTube video literally has 8% more. So it's uploaded. 15 minutes. Guess that silver level was it, Gene.
Was it?
Yeah. Just did not like that 5 minute. If it was a little more bullish, I'd consider it.
Go. 3 minutes.
Give Senior Gene a new low a day. No. What's up? You can play Madden with J Dunn.
Wanna play with you?
No.
Is it just you two?
Yeah,
Wow.
I got the cameras on too.
What up, Gene?
Rob says hi.
What up, bro?
What up?
Rob, my uncle, guys.
What?
I said you're his uncle,
Oh,
his white uncle.
Yeah.
he looks just like me.
No, did Cody tell you guys he actually knows my uncle?
Yeah, he told me. Yeah,
Yeah.
That's funny.
that's crazy. Small world.
So, oh yeah. My uncle does jujitsu with Cody. That's how he knows him.
Nice.
Yeah. So they said they're gonna make me start to do it. So we gotta go once together. As a
You-
friend.
You should.
And I'm gonna tackle Rob with his dad's strength.
So you don't want to mess with that.
You can upload this if you want to sit. Been waiting for this fucking video to upload all day.
Yeah, breaker. Shit.
No?
It works fine on the regular breaker.
Damn, that silver's back at high day.
The UFC gym. What?
I told you, Brandon told us to go.
What is UFC stand
Oh.
for?
That was Brandon that said to go there. Nice. It's in,
What is,
yeah,
what does UFC stand for, Brandon?
bro.
Smith Fighter Club?
Yeah.
Totally.
Okay, I was close. I was very close.
Damn, dude. I was literally looking for longs on this silver. Right here.
I'm gonna do it for Brandon Rosewiggle. Not the other Brandon. Come on, go down, please.
What's he in?
NQ shorts.
Probably. Go. Go, go, go.
Where's the IQ at?
Right here, this bottom one.
That's going the wrong way.
No, he's short.
Oh.
From like up here, though.
Oh.
He got a really good entry.
Tried to call that number. Specular.
Uh-huh.
Doesn't say the working number.
You know, we should go to the UFC gym when GD comes on, Brandon.
We should. I'm down.
I want to see if GD can show us some of his moves.
I'm down.
I did it at like 75. I don't like that channel though.
How many trades am I in? 0. I missed my silver entry, unfortunately. Not miss, I just didn't really like it. But I was watching this pullback right here. Just didn't take it. Would prefer a higher probability setup. We'll watch this GC if we can clear that high. Yeah. 5% until this video is done.
It's that delayed.
YouTube, I think about like 20 seconds. 10, 15 seconds.
People talking.
Mm-hmm.
Stopped out for like 9.5 points. I had it set 5, 10, 5.
See if we can find an A+ setup, everybody. Just patiently waiting. Finally got some volatility from NQ.
See, from this point now, it's pretty structure.
Why did I block your comment on your other account? Because you asked a question that made 0 sense and then you got mad that I didn't know what you were trying to say. That's why. And then you were also asking 100 questions with everybody else.
What does November look still back? November and October.
Second book is A New Age of Day Trading. It's behind me, actually. That darker blue one.
That last week of the month. It seems wasted.
Just more of a bullish candle would be ideal. This gold is ripping, though.
Dude,
Silver's at that new high.
no way. Brandon, you see this?
Indeed, I am. Still watching this gold.
Gold?
Yeah. I want to pull back to like 46.05.
For loans?
User.
I think you should take loans, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you. All right, we got a nice 5-minute candle close on gold. This pullback. What are you watching, Gene?
I don't know now.
Watch gold with me.
Huh?
Watch gold.
Pullback too.
46.05, give or take. Maybe even silver at 87.82 if we can get, or 87.72.
What kind of price action is this on? Man, I got close there.
No, I'm in nothing. How many fake accounts does this guy have? And where was that one? Only thing is, BRV, I've actually posted live logins through Thinkorswim, plus one of them being my biggest trading day of $32,000 with a live login and plenty of screenshots with 24s. Yeah, he's got like 6 accounts. But I've actually done that. You're just a dude on YouTube who has zero clue what you're even talking about. So. See if we can get that gold pullback. Let me know when you can do your live logins. I mean, I think that's kind of common sense that people that push codes get paid from it. Duh. Still looking for this pullback. Again, it's just personal preference at the end of the day, which prop firm you use. Camera is blurry? Oh shit. Try that. Why is it so blurry? Why are you blurry? No. Come on. Why is it so blurry? Come on. Bro. There we go. Let's see if that makes it better. No, why is it so blurry? When did it start doing that? It will focus on my finger. Come on. Bro. One's TikTok. One is YouTube. What's up, Mr. Gene? Trying to figure out my camera. My camera's all blurry. Yes, I do. There we go. I got it.
What are they doing on Thursday?
Trading Asia, hopefully catching a banger, and then going to get food.
Chick-fil-A?
801 Chop House.
We're gonna go get
Hmm.
burritos.
I'm trading at the office. So looking for this pullback on gold. Yes, I trade full time. I've been trading for 8 years now. Come on, give me a pullback. 46.08. That's what we're watching. I don't even know if I can get this YouTube video up today. This shit's taking forever. No, personally, I haven't had any of those issues, JC. Just wasn't a big enough candle, plus there was a super long upper wick. And again, Julian, it's really personal preference. It's up to you which one you choose. I like TPT the best. About like a year and a half, 2 years to become consistently profitable. Prop firms weren't really a thing back when I started, so I was always trading my own capital back then.
It goes.
Might be interested in this NQ as well. Maybe if we can pull back. Ideally GC though. I've never personally used Top Step, so I don't know. And no, when I first started trading, I opened my account with 270. I will say I got very lucky, flipped it into 10K fairly quickly within the first few months, but then slowly like started to deplete it from there. And brought it back down to 5K. That's when I took a step back and really started to focus on my education. And that's when I started to become a little more consistent. So, I mean, still 270 into like 5K. Again, it was 10K, but I lost about half of it. So 270 into 5K is still pretty damn good. So, I have GC pulled up. Why is this taking so long? Thinkorswim for charting 100% and then trade of 8. And then if you want to use prop firm, it's really up to you what prop firm you use. Or if you want to trade your own capital, you can do that through trade of 8 as well. GC 50. I want this pullback. Again, JC, it's really up to you. Do you want to go the funded route or do you want to use your own capital, that 10K? It's completely personal preference. But I would also ask yourself, you know, are you new? Do you know how to actually make money trading? Because if you don't know how to make money trading and you're new, the funded route will keep your drawdown way smaller. So. Huge. You know, it didn't do that all day.
Really?
And then it just started doing it again, yeah. I don't know who Turbo is. Yeah, this one is. Watching gold and silver, potentially even NQ if we get a pullback, like now. Bro, this shit's gonna take so long to upload. I've never heard of them. Watch this pullback on NQ though. Yeah, I mean, check out TPT. If you decide to get an account with TPT, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. You watching that 900 pullback, Gene? Yes, sir. Watching the same one. Yep.
I like how that candle post up there, that 15-minute. That'd be a perfect setup for that side. Aim to like 925. It's high whenever it's high.
Anywhere from like 904 to 900.
Yes, sir. Hold on, then. Brandon,
What?
come pick me up. Let's go to dinner.
No. If I can hit a banger, sure.
Coming.
Rob's coming. Want to pull back on gold or NQ? Oh, I'm not even zoomed in so you guys can see. Why didn't you trim on that move down, Gene?
No, only have 10 points. I didn't really get a chance to look how fast it moved down.
I mean, 10 points still good for Asia.
And then you go back to catching 100 points during Asia.
Bruh. That ain't gonna happen.
It was happening frequently in November.
Yeah, it's November. Yeah, silver moves quick. It's like 10K per point, I believe. What's up, Tim? What up, what up? Even considered in silver if it pulls back to 87.70. Losing that squeeze on NQ. Gonna give the market like another 40 minutes. See if we can find something. What's even funnier is that Hater had multiple accounts to join in and say the same thing. Silver's hitting the level. SIH6. Might get that gold pullback now as well. Need silver to reclaim 87.70. It's bouncing back up. What's up, young lord? Young Lord Dagger. I get FOMO, but I know how to control it better than 99.9% of traders. Everybody still gets FOMO. Or everybody gets FOMO, I should say. It's just how do you manage it? That's what differentiates profitable traders from unprofitable traders. Still waiting for gold. I don't think silver is going to confirm. It is losing that 87.72. It's looking pretty weak. So I don't think we're going to take anything there. Watch this GC. Silver completely lost the level. Again, if you guys could, take 2 seconds, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I guarantee you, out of the 55 people we have here on TikTok, not all of you are following. There's like 100 and something of you here on YouTube. How much is it? Like 105, 110. Again, hit that subscribe button. Everybody on TikTok, if you're wanting to learn how to trade for free, head on over to my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades. I got 1,500 videos teach you on how to trade for completely free.
Hey, morning. Still waiting on its pullback.
It's no consistency rule on evals, but once you get to PA accounts, there's consistency. It's always been like that. Again, I trade wherever the money is. If the money's in silver, I'm going to trade silver if I see a good setup. If the money's in gold and I see a good setup on gold, I'm going to trade gold. Silver's trying to reclaim the level, except over a 20-cent stop loss is too large. Especially because I would like to at least take a couple per account. Still looking for a pullback on this gold. Come on. You guys take any trades yet? TikTok, YouTube? Any? None. None. Yeah, I haven't taken any personally. There they go, pushing that silver. Really pushing it. The silver's playing games, Gene.
Bull market is. Take forever.
Just waiting for that pullback to 87.72. They held it, but then 20-cent stop loss on silver is a lot.
Bro. How much is a 20-cent stop loss?
He says 10K per point. Correct?
Oh, 5 actually, so it'd be what?
5K.
1,000?
Yeah, 1,000. And then I wanted to take at least 2. So.
2K? Or want to risk it for the biscuit?
I mean, it just nuked fucking 72. Like 50 cents. Yeah.
Should've took it, bro.
I don't want to risk 2K per account. Because I ain't trying to do that. I want to try to catch something today. Bless you. Bless. Did you see my silver equity hit 250% today? Yes, sir. I took a trim today. I was interested in that NQ if it pulled back, but I don't think we're going to get it. And then GC and silver are just fucking nuking. I'll still give the market like 30 minutes though. Anybody got questions while we're chilling? Any questions at all? While we're just vibing? TikTok, YouTube, anything. Vibing, I feel you. Trade of 8 for futures and then Thinkorswim for options. Trade of 8 for futures, Thinkorswim for options. I don't really be paying too much attention to news, to be honest. Like, whatever the numbers are cool, but I just mainly watch the technicals. That's going to tell you everything you need to know. I got a few that I'm watching. I've been in the CVS for like, what? Almost 2 weeks now. So Hopefully CVS can crack 81. It's been struggling with 81, but once it breaks it, it's going to go. Finally, this damn YouTube video is done uploading. Finally. Public. Boom. Just dropped a new YouTube video, so make sure you guys go watch it when you're done with this live stream. How to trade using Fibonacci retracements, 19 minutes long, breaking down my entire Fibonacci trading strategy. So again, brand new YouTube video. Everybody on TikTok, it's on my YouTube, BrandonTrades. Everybody over here on YouTube, obviously, it's on this channel. So make sure you guys go watch it. How to trade using Fibonacci retracements. Boom. Oh my God, Gene, price pulling back.
No, we're not hitting anything right now.
I know, but I'm looking for a pullback.
So someone said shorts.
Again, I trade wherever there's money. I swing trade, I day trade futures, I trade options. Wherever there's money, that's where I'm at. Studio. Bang. Let's see. How was my day? Good. Caught 2 banger trades this morning. I don't think we're getting this gold. Who said anything about Spirit? Again, if you guys need accounts, you use Apex, Tradeify, or TPT. Make sure to use discount code Brandon. It will always get you the best possible discount. So, Brandon in all caps. I like the possibility of ES longs, actually. Just ES definitely moves slow as fuck. But I like the setup. I like the structure. I do have to pee really bad. I'll pull up ES and watch it. Is there a way to turn off this camera? Let's see. No. Damn, I really got pee. Yes, and Q is pulling back. Watching NQ. Whoops. VS put up NQ. There we go. Let's see what happens at this ADMA. See if they buy it up.
Brandon. Brandon,
Hola, ¿cómo está?
let's go skiing on Monday.
I'm down.
You busy?
No, let's do it.
Probably will stream Monday, guys. It's Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Watching potential longs right here on NQ. But I really have to pee, so I'll make a decision when I get back. So, hold on. I'll be back, everybody. I can at least close this camera, but whatever. I'll be back. I gotta pee. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Back down to that. Price target will probably be
I'm gonna take this with you.
order filled. Like this time.
I'm gonna stop below 13.
I'd really like to pull back to the 900, but in case it doesn't want to give us a full pullback.
I'm only risking like 3 points on this. Come on, give us the push.
Yeah, to give us. Did he ever pull back? Yeah, a bit lower. And really move much, so it's ever good. Would like to see it pull back. Huge. 6 and go for more.
No, don't break below. Probably gonna stop out of this if we close below this 80 MA on the 5-minute.
And if the market can just pull back. Watching the second. Come on, you're almost there. A little bit deeper.
Sitting here talking, I'm muted on Discord.
Dude,
Whoops.
come on, dude.
I'm actually gonna watch this VWAP. I'm in this with you. I'm watching this VWAP for an ad.
I'm dead.
What?
Did you announce it when you got in, but you were on mute?
I did. I said I took it with you. If they reclaim this 13, I might just add the rest. Got 1 more minute to reclaim this level. Okay. They technically held it.
I think I just need to hop off for it to be able to hit our TV.
Probably. Come on, crack this 18 level.
Just go up.
It's not what we want. Come on. What's up?
Focusing.
Yeah, I'm in a trade.
Short, long.
Long.
Oh shit.
What about the R16? What
Bet.
was your entry, Brandon?
17. Come on, NQ. Back to high day you go. I don't like how that 5 minutes looking though.
Six.
Still holding this level. You guys want to get out at break even, you have that choice. Or like a 1 point loss, completely up to you. Bro, every time it pops up, they bring it back down. Who's calling? Why is GD calling me? It's being really slow.
That's how I was looking.
Hmm.
That's your entry. Good day.
Mm-hmm. What's that mean? Hmm?
Not that was
Okay.
can't decide it from floor to ceiling.
Is that gonna make it look ugly?
Both. I've seen.
Okay.
We just had to put it up before we put a door in.
Mm-hmm.
So I think
This is so boring.
There we go. We're in the green.
Brandon,
keep talking. It's going.
Very boring, bro.
someone,
We're in the green though.
someone in my TikTok chat said, Gene is always sleepy, Brandon is always grumpy. Where's Jen? She can be happy.
Bruh.
I am sleepy, dude. I'm ready for bed. On a long day.
You're an old man.
Too much Madden.
I'm like raw.
Yeah,
No.
I'm probably up longer than you.
What'd you say?
I said I probably stay up longer than you.
I stayed till like 10, 11.
Same, but I get up at 5:30.
You gotta have your coffee on the porch, huh?
Yeah. Watch my
Read his
mountain
newspaper.
What'd
views.
you say?
Watching my mountain views.
Looking at the mountain views, drinking Mountain Dew.
That's right.
There we go. Not the best risk to reward, but I'm gonna take some off here and just put my stop at break even.
2 points of profit.
3.5.
Balling.
Just not really liking it. It's so slow. I wasn't full size either. I was thinking about adding closer to that 14, but I just didn't.
There we go.
I would love to see high a day out of the rest of this. I set an order up there. But worst case scenario, I made some coffee money.
You guys think good.
I know. It will fill up the GTR actually.
So what we're thinking is like right where your niche is, like the shelf at the top.
Mm-hmm.
The seam will go with that. You're already gonna have a seam.
Good.
Back, so just have it continue.
As long as it looks good, I don't care.
It'll like blend in.
But
And we do it like super small spacing, you know.
bet.
Yeah, we're at 9:23.
Yeah. It's probably gonna come down and hit my break even stop. Love 24. I'm so hungry.
Stop filled.
Jesus
What's for
Christ,
dinner
that
at
was
your house?
loud. What?
What's for dinner at your house?
Steak, I told you. I'm all out of break even, by the way, everybody. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of how, like, choppy this is being. And I wasn't able. Yeah, no, I need to turn it down.
6.
I wasn't able to get full size anyway. Worst case scenario, I fill up my GTR a few times out of that.
I guess no 801 chop house, Gene.
I don't know. We're eating ramen tonight, Gene.
Ooh,
Me and you. I said if I hit a banger, we can go to 801.
I like ramen. I had ramen on Saturday at this hot pot place.
What's that? It's like Uncle's. You ever tried that? It's like ramen place.
Have you been on hot pot?
It's really good.
Brandon?
No,
Why not?
I don't know. You haven't taken me? I told you, bro, it's super choppy. That's why I just put the stop at break even. That's how I like to trade Asia too. Just make some money, put a stop at break even. You know, if it wants to continue to nuke, cool. If not, oh well. Yeah. I think it's about to pull back. Let's see. There we go. Asia's just hard to trade. That's why, like, I'm a little more. If I start to not like it, I will trim way earlier, which that NQ is like hesitating with the level, so I didn't really like it too much, which is why, you know, I trim for small green and then set the stop to break even. And then, yeah. That gold and silver have just been trending up the whole time, though. I'm a little pressed it didn't pull back to my actual levels. But maybe I'll go live tomorrow night. We'll see. See if we can catch something better. This is NQ. That's what I traded. Caught that move up. But again, I wasn't full size either. which if I was full size, I would have had a way, way better average. Hey, last minute questions while you guys got me? TikTok, YouTube? Feel free to ask before I go make a fat steak. Oh yeah, Sniper Ace. By the way, it'd be DM me on Instagram. Yeah, gold is pushing again. I think maybe just focusing on gold and silver is the move for Asia. Make sure I have all my orders closed. Silver is acting crazy. The secret to life, I wish I knew that. Yeah, I might be live tomorrow. If not tomorrow, definitely on Thursday. Thursdays usually.
I'm gonna put my stop at 4.
Wait for Gene to talk.
4.75. My take profit at 9:40. And I'm gonna hop off.
Thursday is usually my dedicated Asia day. So like I said, if I'm not live tomorrow, I'll be live on Thursday.
It's like 11 points or so. Pretty boring market today, guys. I'm gonna hop off. Peace.
Bye, Senor Gene.
Bye, Brando. I'll talk to you later tomorrow.
All right, buddy.
Okay, bye.
I'm gonna hop off here too, everybody. And team. Oh, he just ended it. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna hop off TikTok and YouTube. Again, make sure to tap in during New York where there's a little more action going on. But yeah, if you use TPT, Apex, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon and